Morning everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. Today is day 23 and just finishing up the maintenance checks, pull the tire covers, all of that fun stuff, checking the lights. Did all the oil and that stuff yesterday. That one's lit, but looks like it might have a bad ground. I have to check that when I get up to the shop. Got me a bulb out here too. Now, I do have a spare. Alright, we got to change that one. Not that I'll need them because I'm running daylight here, but just really sheer habit. Yeah, that bush has been haunting me. Anyway, I wanted to show you this here real quick. Look at that sunrise. Those clouds sitting there. We got some good rain last night. You just see the top of the mountain peeking out from those clouds. But it is chilly this morning. It is 46 degrees. It was 49 yesterday when I was cooking breakfast, and it was cold. 46 this morning, and the moisture in the air, yeah, kind of chilly. Anyway, go ahead and get these covers off and get ready to roll. I went ahead and fixed that light real quick because we are socked in. Wow. We'll see how long it takes this to burn off, but Paul probably won't be ready for a while. I sure hope this burns off. Look how thick it is. You know, I don't mind driving in the rain. I don't mind driving in snow and ice, but man, I really hate driving in the fog. This is thick. I actually had a tent camper that showed up yesterday, early in the morning. Set up their tent and everything. Hung out for 3 or 4 hours. And that's about when the wind and the rain started. And they promptly packed up and got out. And I mean fast. Yeah, we did manage to get almost 3/4 of an inch of rain last night. So, yeah. Old Rainmaker Rick, he's working. I'm working hard. It's been a great stay. I've had a good time. Beautiful views. The fog finally cleared. And sun hasn't, well, it's tried to pop out once or twice, but hasn't quite made it yet. But at least we're not socked in, and should be a fairly decent ride out of here. Well, everyone, I made it. No problems. It was actually a pretty nice trip. This is Latham's Truck and Diesel Repair. They also do diesel performance. What I want everyone to notice here, though, is how nice this place is. You can tell a lot about a repair shop in the way they take care of their place, the way things are organized, the way the building looks, everything. I mean, this gives me really good feelings right here. It really does. Now, I had to manage to sneak my rig in here, you know, past the dumpster. But that's okay. You know, I'm here way early, and honestly, I probably could have parked across the street here with no problems. But anyway, it is for lease. Don't think anybody would have said anything. But at either rate, I'm here, and I really like the way this place looks. I like the reviews, and I have a good feeling about this. I have a really good feeling about this. And of course, Rainmaker Rick, you know, he brought it on. It's sprinkling right now. Hopefully this will pass over. Kind of cracks me up though everywhere I go. Rain. I'm serious, man. They got to start hiring me. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. You know, I'm here. I made it. Hopefully everything goes good tomorrow, and man, we can get hooked up and out of here. Head up to Denver, get the aqua fixed, then I'll be good. Peace out, people.
Thank you.